Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up average monthly volume on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop, and after that you guys will need to get onto this top right corner. Now select account settings. Now select on this business information and now select this update button. So guys, after getting on this window, scroll down and you guys can see this option called your business information. Now select its edit button and scroll down to the last, and here you guys you can see this option called average monthly volume. Now select its scroll down icon and choose from this list which is available to you, and after selecting one of them you guys just need to select on the save button. So that's how you guys can set up your average monthly volume on your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and also share this video with your family and friends. And also thanks for watching.